George Austin. Right after the I took my right instead of the cream colored building. Between 1901 to 1923, this was a J.D. Seller Company. Here they had made saddles for Theodore Roosevelt and the Rough Riders and World War I. Having over 500 employees. Today it is now known as the Macara Hotel and Spa. Right across to my left, we have this white building with many doors. This building has a two-story building for the St. Mary's School for Boys. It then turned into St. Mary's School of Law, exceeded its space, moved west to San Antonio, to where it's now known as St. Mary's University. Two graduates of the school bought the old building, renovated it, and opened up as Law School Sabas in 1953. It was later renamed La Mansión del Rio, an Omni property.